Just got to the marshy beach. And look at this little friend we have right here. Hey, little crab. Very cool little guy. It's a lightning milk. And it's alive and it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Very beautiful. The crab, as soon as he saw me, he stood at attention. Don't worry, buddy. You don't have to pinch me. I'm gonna walk around. What do we have here? Look at this crown. Oh my goodness. That crown is huge. So big. Another cute crabby. Hey, buddy. It's like they're wearing little like tribal hats. They make their little grass hats. And they do little dances, crab dances together. Whoa, banded tulip. His headdress is a little less colorful. He selected the brown variation of the grass. Hey, dude. This beautiful crown. This guy's amazing. He was just hanging out right in the moment. Is this a lace murex out here? Yeah, fossilized lace. That's crazy. I didn't expect to see that. Oh, that is gorgeous. Wow. Super nice. So cool. And I can tell this is a chocolate guy. Bunch of little lightning milk eggs. And look at this! Another chocolate tulip just floating right here. Looking absolutely perfect. Oh my goodness. It's gonna clean up gorgeous. I guess this is a pretty good beach that my mom found. Another nice looking pear whelp. Oh, maybe nice looking is an exaggeration. Has good colors. Guys, I have never seen anything like this in my life. It looks like these marginellas are feasting on this banded tulip. That is so weird.